Okay, let's go. Twagiye. Turacyari kuki ku ndamukanyo greetings. Ijambo rindi ngiye kubaha mu gihe ushuhuje umuntu, urumva hari byanga bikunda, hari ukuntu mukomeza mukagira mute mukaganira. You are continue talking. You are continue talking. Okay. You start like say hi, 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 or you have to say hello, hello, hello. In the morning you have to say good morning, good morning, good morning. In the afternoon and afternoon you have to say good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. In the evening you have to say good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Mwaramutse, mwaramutse. In the morning, mu gitondo, mwaramutse, 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 mwaramutse. Saa sita no mu masaha byegeranye, mwiriwe, mwiriwe, ati none, mwiriwe. Umugoroba, nimugoroba. In the evening, nimugoroba, umugoroba, nimugoroba. Good evening, good evening. Mwiriwe, mwiriwe, good evening. Okay, twagiye. Noneho urashuje umuntu uti hi, hi. Nawe aragusubiza hi. How are you? 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 Okay, that's why I told you have to speak as Rwandani. Ukavuga nk'iki nk'umunyarwanda, ubivuge. Ushobora urumva nkuko ndi kukubwira, vuga how ni ibintu byumvikana. Are you? How are you? Wumva urabivuze nk'iki nkuko uvuga ikinyarwanda, kandi uramutse ubivuze wa muntu wavugaga ntiwumve, noneho urumva ugize ute how are you? How are you? How are you? I'm fine. You have to say I'm fine. I am fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm so great. I'm so great. I'm fine. I'm great. I'm great. I am good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Repeat it. I'm good. Repeat it. Repeat it. I'm good. Wow. You said I'm good. Okay. Repeat it. Talk. I'm good. I'm good. Okay. Good. Ubikoze neza. Good. Ubikoze neza. Okay. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm great. I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. Okay. I'm cool. Okay. Twagiye twongere. Igihe uhuye n'umuntu amubwira nishimiye kukumenya. You foreign. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet. Nice to meet you. 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 Repeat it. Subiramo. Repeat it. Subiramo. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Okay. Talking. Birimo biraza. It's coming. Okay. Repeat it. Repeat it around. Okay. I hear you. Wow, good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nishimiye kumenya, nishimiye guhura nawe. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, twende akandi. I am coming. I'm coming. I am coming. I am coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Me. Jewe. Me. Jewe. I. Je. Jewe. Ndi. I'm coming. Ndi kuza. Ndaje. I'm coming. I. Je. Me. Je. Me. Me. Je. I'm coming. Coming. Not coming. Coming. No. Ntabwo ari byo. Si byo. No. Okay, it's not that. It is not that. It's not that. It's not that. Ntabwo ari byo. Okay. I'm coming. Ndaje. Okay. Maybe this video will help you. Let's we close here. We close here. Leka dufunge. No. We close here. We. Me and you. We. Me and you. Jewe nawe. Me and you. We have to say we. Okay. We. Andika mu Kinyarwanda uko byumva kugira ngo umenye kubivuga. Ubwo nitugeraho twandika uzamenya uko byandikwa. Nitugera igihe cyo kujya gute cyo kwandika. Icyo nshaka no kugira ngo tugiye gute talking, because you foreigners, for example, in East Africa, when you came here, you are Tanzanian or Kenyan, Ugandan, Congolese, or friends. Okay. When you came here in Rwanda, you would like to speak Kinyarwanda. Okay. Start for speaking with a mother. Speaking with me. Okay. Me and you. We combine it and then we say we. Me and you. Jewe na nawe. Me and you. We have to say we. Okay. Je nawe together. Turi kumwe. We say we. Okay. We.